This video gives an overview of the process and timeframes for a minor variance. Step 1. Review your concept with planning department staff. They will be able to determine if your plan meets the zoning requirements for your property. They'll also be able to assist in identifying variances or required changes that you may have missed. At this time, staff will also advise whether or not they can support your application, advise of any changes they would like to see, and if the application cannot be considered minor, and discuss the zoning process that may be needed. Staff will also advise you if you need to contact additional agencies to discuss your proposal. Step 2. Once you have all the material required in the application form, you're ready to submit. Generally, this includes a completed minor variance application form, a scaled drawing showing the property, setbacks, coverages, and proposed use, and town application fee and other agency fees if applicable. Step 3. This is the processing of the minor variance application. This takes a maximum of 45 days from the time of complete application to a decision by the Committee of Adjustment. Generally, the process is as follows. A notice of the hearing and application details is circulated to agencies and the neighbors within 60 meters of the property, and this is done at least 14 days prior to the hearing by town staff. You will be contacted by staff to pick up a sign to be posted on the property for 14 days prior to the hearing. Before attending the hearing, you will be informed of comments received and any requested conditions. You or a representative will be required to attend the Committee of Adjustment hearing. And at the hearing, you and other members of the public will have the opportunity to speak. At the hearing, the committee will review the information and take into account comments from staff and other agencies, as well as input from the public. At the hearing, the committee may approve or refuse the application with or without conditions, or defer the decision until a future hearing if more information is required. Their determination will be based on whether they feel the variance meets the 4 tests defined in the Planning Act. The decisions of the committee are circulated to agencies and others who may have requested to be informed. All decisions are subject to a 20-day appeal period, where appeals to the Ontario Municipal Board can be made by the applicant, agencies, neighbors, or other members of the public regarding the committee's decision. If there are no appeals and all conditions have been met, then the decision of the Committee of Adjustment is final. Once you have a final decision, you have permission to proceed with the building permit process. If you have questions, please contact the town planning staff. They would be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.